You see, top of bread on my toast, it adds an extra layer of dimensionality. I don't know what I'm just saying, but that sounds like it makes sense.
What's up, vlog? What's good, man? Yeah. Alright. So the sandwich you're about to see, which you saw from the thumbnail, I had it for dinner yesterday. I wanted to film it, but I never got to film it. But it just take a one clip.
If you know me, then you know what I am thinking. Pig's tail, Stupid's pig's tail sandwich.
And then, I don't know what happened after that. I'm going to assemble it now. I'm going to eat it again, because right now I'm hungry and I need some for lunch. So this is going to be lunch. Alright people, you don't know we got the Gaza bread. I'm going to slice it down. I'm going to also make a little cup. Yeah, so we're going to put the top piece, make it go on toast. You see while the top piece of toast now, we want to take out the insides of this, you understand? So we have basically create a little well. So we are going there, we are take out that. Remember, you know, a stew piece, so it should be able to hold all of the niceness of the stew piece and everything where we have put in a sandwich. So that's why you want to create a little well. Alright. And the Gaza bread work perfect for it, you understand? And but I feel some of dash with them, you know. Yeah man, they may squeeze up together and right in our mouth.
So you see, we have a little center.
And so see what I go on, man. Now like the Gaza bread are kind of old, but it's all work, you know. Just like that, top our bread toast. People, when I say fall off a bone, I really mean fall off a bone. I check the pot a while ago, because it's a good amount to make, you know. See there? I show you. Like sauce bone. It's a like a sauce bone thing I go on. You understand? Sauce up, where there? Focus. Sauce bone. So we strip off all our meat. Most of this is a bone. Some might have bone, you know. But we really want peas. You understand? I don't know where you get gloves then. That's it. I'm showing you. Fall off a bone. See bone here? No, look here. Easy. Easy pluck out. You can just easily squeeze. Bone. Bone. You understand? First thing we drop in there. Don't know you can't make no sandwich and without the beautiful plantain. So in a well, one piece of plantain, two pieces of plantain, and the whole one. 3 pieces of plantain. What we're going with now, let's see them use the spoon, but because I try to avoid bone, I use the glove. And we're going to put on some nice 2 pieces on that. Just want the peas. We don't want a bone. Alright, this, yeah, it is hot. So be careful when you not do that part here, if you're not going to do that part here. You understand? Some of that have in all meat in here so already, you know, people. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, drop off a bone vibes go on, man. And I can see the little pieces of meat. You understand? Yeah. You see them, I never go too crazy with it. You get that? Too crazy. But you see them, I never put on a whole heap of peas. Today, yeah man, I put on the peas, man. Yeah. It's like the plantain just get buried. They say you carry some sandwich, I got to get some of them, they got some boom and bite in it, you never tell them say the plantain, they mash up when they taste the plantain, I tell you. Now we are going with the meat. I don't know why I take off the glove, but anyways, I take off the glove. I will just put on the meat up here, so. Yeah. All this nice, beautiful fat. You know what I mean? And lean there on it too, you know. Lean there too, man, yeah, man. Remember, I say pig still have no whole heap of lean like that. Unless you buy some decent one, them way. You know what? Them pig, they do that work out, them tail and them thing there. Boom. That's that. And guess what we do now? We top it off with the rest of our planting. Yeah, that's how you do it. Top it off with the rest of your planting. Alright, that's how it look like, people, before I put on in cap, you see me? Yeah. Mash, we are going to mash down this.
See it, people. You can have a little weight to it. Remember, I say it kind of hollow out, so meat and them things they down in it. Yes. I'm showing you cross section when I cut it. I think I'm going to save a piece for dinner. Look at all that, man. That looks... Yeah, I'm ready to go in. I don't want to waste no more time. Yeah? Piece of bone get red, but dare I say it? I think it tastes better today than it did yesterday. I don't know, there's something about pig's tail will make it taste better the day after. That one never because of peas. You know, so when you cook rice and peas, it tastes better the next day. My theory is the peas and the coconut. Coconut milk, I hate cause if it tastes better. I don't know, a little fermentation go on and it just keep my battery going like you want it, but that go work, you know. Yeah, I'm going in again. I have spillage, but I'm not worried about that. But definitely I'm going to save that piece of it dinner. Ketchup free. If I try a whole kind of dainty. So you have meat, you have plantain, you have red peas. Yeah, different things not going right there, man. Different things not keep over here, you know? Wow. Me put ginger in the pot, people, and me just get like a nice flavor from the ginger. I don't have a piece of ginger in my bite, but it work. Put ginger in the pot. Of course, you have pimento seed, the coconut cream. One in the pack work good for me, so I use that. But right now, time for a great coconut, you know. I love my fingernail, I love my knuckle them and them thing them. Nah, rub it out so easy. But jeez, man. This is another winner. Yes, sir. I'm just like get a whole thing of flavor. Can remember so the plantain sweet, and then the coconut milk. The way I do it, I put a little tip, just a little tip of sugar in, so that when it boil down, when it reduce down to the gravy part, it have this sweet scent, sweet taste. I talk about scent. It smells nice too. Anyway, then you have the saltness of the pig's tail. And all of that just work together. If you not eat this with no plantain or nothing, you just like eat it with a pig's tail. Cucumber. You see, cucumber, there's something about the saltness of the pig's tail will make cucumber just taste extra fresh, extra refreshing. I buy one, but I never bother use it because this is just bad. Yeah, this is the... And then the toast bread, people. You see top of the bread on my toast, it adds an extra layer of dimensionality. I don't know what I just said, but that sounds like it makes sense. So remember, you got that. But if you can, try this. It's less expensive than the oxtail, but it tastes good. So far, all of these sandwiches, my favorite are going to be the oxtail, cause you know. And then, I think this would have come in second, then the ackee and bacon third. But all of them are top of the line sandwiches. Yeah, I would have gone to a sandwich place go eat this. I probably open my own like a sandwich ends, you see me? I don't know, because pig's tail kind of salty and them thing there. How this palm lip? Drink some water now and I made that. I deal with the vlog so I can get it here. Sorry, so I never get the extra footage of me cooking and all of them sitting there, but when you see the part where you assemble, so I know if you assemble it. Yeah. Look more. Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.